Hi guys, happy Halloween. Today I've got another tutorial for you all. It's a skull face kind of thing. I don't know, I was just seeing how things were and how things went. It's my first go, so yep, be nice and stay tuned if you want to see how I did it. Right here I just go around my eyes with the black face paint in Snazeroo face paint, there we go. And here I've got both of my eyes done, and now I'm just patting. I've also outlined where I'm going to have my light and my dark, but yeah, and I'm just patting where I'm going to have my light and all the white all around my face. I ended up going full in on that because I realised it just wasn't going to work out sketching it out like that. I'm now going to go in on my nose, and what I do is just do the edges of the nose first and just take two little triangles, and yeah, there's your nose. Then I'm going down the face, all like just underneath the cheekbone, I would say, and creating my mouth. It doesn't really matter if you get this part a little bit wrong, because you are going to smudge the inside of this, and that's what I'm doing now, just draping it in, and then I'm going to smudge that with my finger. Here I'm just creating the gap from my cheekbone and my jaw area, and then I'm going straight in around the eye and towards, yep, there we go. There we go, there we go. Oh, that took a long time. I just kind of do like a patch, I would say, and yeah, I just fill that in. Here I have completed the other side of my face off camera. I'm starting with the teeth now, and this was very difficult to do the teeth and see them at the same time as being so far away from my mirror. So please give me credit. Here I'm just lining out the lines of my lips and going across so I can, well, get a base for those other teeth. What you want to do with the teeth, may I say, is do lines just getting smaller and smaller. Now, I don't think I did this with this one. I have got a tutorial coming up that yeah, practice, let's just say practice makes perfect, and this tutorial was a first for me, so I made a little bit of a mistake not getting smaller at the edges of my mouth to give it that depth. Now I'm just going in with the black face paint in the middle, just to, you know, I don't know, cut off those teeth. And I'm just going to go over with the white face paint in certain areas on the teeth and parts that I wanted highlighted. I'm just going over the teeth here with the black again, just to, I don't know, just to give it that look. Now I'm going in with a brown of the Snazeroo face paints, and I'm just doing some shading with that. I thought it would look cooler to have a different colour shading, as I did in my video coming up too after this. It's a much better skull face than this skull face, I would say, but you'll have to see for yourselves. But yeah, I'm just doing shading here. Now I'm just doing the eyebrows, or shading of the brow bone, may I say. I think that's a better explanation for it. Here I'm just doing cracks. I thought these cracks could stand for more like, I don't know, the cracks you get when you're frowning. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing these cracks all over my face. And I did start off doing these cracks with the brown, because I thought I was going to then go over it with the black, which I then realised I should have just done it in black. Anywho, we've done it. Down at the bottom of the skull, I was kind of going for, I don't know, like triangles almost, but yeah, messy triangles. I didn't really want them to be too precise. And here is me doing the black finally on the cracks. Should have just done it in the first place, but you know me. Well, yeah, you should know me. Anywho, this is where I go over with all of the black. And then I decide to take purple from the Snazeroo and just sponge it all over the top. Now, I didn't like the way this turned out because it just didn't look right or sit right on my skin, so I then went in with another shade. I will be listing everything I used down in the description box below. I kind of just shaded the bottom area with this, and I don't know, where it had a sheen to it, I thought it looked really, really cool. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed. Forgive me with the voiceover, I'm really not too well with this. I don't know where it is, but please give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. I love you all.